samsara is not there. Samsara is on account of erroneous notion, not knowing the Swarupa. Anvaya we have seen Vastu Lakshanam hi Ajñātva. Ajñātva. Ajñātva, na Ajñātva. Not knowing Vastu Lakshana. What is Vastu Lakshana? Vastu Swarupa. What is the Vastu? Atma Brahma. Our Swarupa. Vastu Swarupa. So therefore, not knowing the Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa, Janaihi, no, of course. Here first, illustration is there. Illustration. So illustration is that of eclipse, Surya Grahana, or sun getting covered by the clouds. That is illustration. Now, what is said is, when the eclipse takes place, they think Rahu has followed to sun, or clouds have covered the sun. This observation is because of not knowing the Swarupa of sun, Surya. Why? Surya is Swaprakasha, self-luminous, nothing can cover. Your drishti can get covered, your sight can get covered, but sun can never be covered because he is a very light principle. Not only that, if you say the clouds have covered the sun, even the existence of the cloud is known because of who? Sun only. Oh, now Rahu has to cover. That also is because of who? Sun. Mythologically they say Rahu swallows, etc. That's why it's there. So that's why it says, Vastu Lakshanam Ajñātva. Vastu Swarupa, the nature, not knowing the nature of here Vastu is Surya. Same thing, Drishyanta Surya. In Darshtanta, it is Atma Brahma. Vastu Lakshanam hi Ajñātva, not knowing. Janaihi, by people, what is done? Ravi, Surya, Tamasa Grastavat Dhana, because appears as though covered by the tamas. Here tamas can be either Rahu or it can be clouds. It can be Rahu or it can be clouds. Tamasa Grastavat Dhana. But how? Agrastaha api tamasa grastavat. Agrastaha api. Though not covered, though not swallowed, as if swallowed, as if covered, then what happened? Grastavat Dhana, Grasta, Bhrantya, because of erroneous notion, what the people say? Grastaha iti uchyate. Sun is covered or swallowed by the Rahu or covered by the cloud, that's what it is, because they know not the nature of the sun. This is Drishtanta. Similarly, it is Tadvat, Dashtanta. Dehadi sambandhebhya vimuktam brahmavittamam. For Brahmajnani, and what type of Brahmajnani? Brahmavittama means one who is in the final stage of Jivan Mukti as such, not simply Sunday evening Vedanta. 99% of the people think that by exposing to Vedanta they have got knowledge. They think that way because what is the nature of jnana is not known. Not known to the audience, not the speaker. That is the problem. That is the answer. So here, Brahma with Tama means Jivan Mukta who is at the higher stages of, that is what? Nishtha. Vimuktam. Tad vimuktam brahmavittamam. Sharirabhasa darshana. Actually, he is always absorbed in the Swarupa. But to the onlooker, for a lay person who sees, he has got a body, he sits, he walks, he eats, he talks also. So therefore, Sharirabhasa darshana. Because of appearance of the body of this Vimukta Brahmavittamah. So what is the lay people think? Mudaha, avivekinaha, dehivat pashyanti. They see him like a person who is what? Dehi. Dehi means one who has got the, here Dehi means samsari. One who is identified with the samsara. Because see, what is the difference between him and him? This Jivan Mukta also is not a body, Ajnani also is a body. Jivan Mukta also walks, Ajnani also walks. Jivan Mukta talks, Ajnani talks. Jivan Mukta laughs, Jivan Mukta eats, Ajnani eats. Jivan Mukta drinks, Jivan Mukta breathes, this fellow also breathes. What is the difference? And also you can make out human features are there. So, what is the difference in them? No difference. So that's because of aviveka, not meaning mudhaha pashyanti. But it is just like saying the sun is covered. But the very swarup of sun is that it is never available for covering. So is this Jivan Yukta, Brahma Vittamaha, is never identified with embodiment and is nothing to do with anything that is the consequence of identity in the body, for which an illustration is now being given.
Ahirnirvayanivayam Muktadehastu tishtati Itastataschalyamanaha Yatkinchit pranavayuna Anvaya Ayam Yatkinchit pranavayuna Itastataha charyamanaha ahirnirvayaniva muktadeha devahatu tishtati.
Illustration is like this. It is that of a snake. When the snake becomes old, slowly new skin gets developed internally. Externally, the old skin is there. So once that new skin is perfect, what the snake does is, it moves through the thoughts, etc. And what happens? That is called slough. That old skin which is dry is called as slough. S-L-O-U-G-H. Slough. So this is called slough. So that slough gets stuck to the thought and the snake walks off. Now, has that snake I-ness in that slough? Suppose breeze is there. Slough is what? Appears to move. Snake doesn't move. Well, if somebody who sees, snake is there. It moves. It moves. There is no snake at all. So like this. So and the snake has no I-ness in the slough. So like this is what is the illustration here. Here nirvayani iva. Just as the slough moves this side, that side by the wind or the breeze, like that it is ayam. Ayambhu, this mukta deha, the jnani who has no identification of the body, so one who is jivan mukta deha. Yat kinchit pranavayuna itastatas chalyamanaha, say mukta deha tishtati. Like what? Ahi nirvayani iva. Say, yes, this body is whose body? Jivan body. It also moves. By which wind it moves? Pranavayu. Because of pranavayu, prana, vital air, because of that, it is capable of yat kinchit pranavayu. Because of some pranavayu, chal itastataha chalyamana, knocking around here and there, moving around here and there, is how he nirvayani, like the fluff of a snake, how it moves by the wind, but the snake doesn't have eyelid. So also, this mukta deha tishtati. He also remains, he has no identification with the body. Another example is given. So how he takes to the bhogas from time to time.
Srodasa niyate daru. यथा दारु स्रोतसा निम्नोन्नत स्थलम निम्नोन्नत स्थलम नीयते तथा देहः यथा कालोपभुक्तिषु दैवेन नीयते.
Again here illustration is that of wood floating in the river. Logs of wood. Olden days that was the means of transport in the forest region. So they used to cut the logs and throw in the river. There the contractors mark will be different contractors are there. And they throw. At a destination, they get out and they get distributed as well. While going, the water was up and down, up and down, up and down, up and like this. It goes up and down, up and down. That's yatha, just as daru, wood, say, srotasa, because of the flow of a river, nimnonnata sthalam. Actually, when this Ganga is in flood, we should see big trees, not only trees, trucks. Somewhere trucks caught in the flood, like a toy. They go on whirling, rotating like a toy. That is the force of Ganga force is not ordinary. At Uttarkashi, Larsen and Toubro constructed a bridge. Actually, Uttarkashi, there is not much a flood came and uprooted the bridge in such a way, no trace of the bridge. No trace of the bridge. Engineer said, real namaskar. Real namaskar to Mother Ganga. No trace of the bridge, foundation, कुछ भी नहीं है उधर. That is the force of Ganga. So nimnonata sthalam niyate, are carried, that is up and down. Tatha, in the same manner, it says, Yatha Kala Upabhuktishu. Upabhuktishu in the Bhoga. In the Bhoga, Yatha Kala means according to appropriate time, or what we can say, from time to time. From time to time, depending on the circumstances. So what happens? This Deha, whose Deha? Jivan Mukta's Deha, Daivena Niyate, is carried by Daiva. Daiva here is Prarabdha Karma. Is there, means where he goes, what he eats, all this is guided by Prarabdha Karma. Same thing that Prarabdha is explained.
Prarabdha Karma Parikalpita Vasanabihi Samsari Vacharati Bhuktishu Mukta Deha Chitta Swayam Vatati Sakshi Vadatra Tushni Chakrasya Moola Kalpa Vikalpa Shunya Mukta Deva Prarabdha Karma Parikalpita Vasanahi Bhuktishu Samsarivat Charati Kalpa Vikalpa Shunya Siddha Chakrasya Moolam Iva Sakshivat Atra Swayam Tushri Vasati.
What this Jivan Mukta does in terms of Bhoga. Bhoga means all experiences in terms of enjoyment, suffering and all those things. He is guided by what? Prarabdha. Earlier it was told in verse 543. At places he appears like a Buddha, at places like Vidwan, like this highly knowledgeable. At places Maharaja Vibhava, with all royal magnificence. Other places as if mad. At places like a python, it doesn't move at all, only stuck up at one place. So at places honor, other places dishonor, or sometimes famous, otherwise unknown to all. So that way, all this is because of what? Prarabdha Karma. So likewise, in accordance with the Prarabdha Karma, undergoing all bhogas, he is what? Not at all involved and identified with the bhoga, is simply sakshi, just like this. These bhogas experiences parade in front of him, he is absorbed in the Swarupa Guru. Mukta Deha, person who has got a body, but Mukta, it is a Jivan Mukta. Prarabdha Karma Parikalpita Vasanabhi, by the Vasana impressions projected by Prarabdha Karma. Bhuktishu, Bhogeshu, is all the bhogas presented by Prarabdha Karma. Bhuktishu, Samsari Vacharati, he undergoes the bhoga like any samsari. For outwardly appearance, he walks, talks, laughs, so again bathes, eats, all he does, sleep, so he does. Samsari Vacharati. But inside, Kalpa Vikalpa Shunyaha, he is free from Sankalpa, Vikalpa. See? I should have this, I should not have that, etc. Let me have this, let me not have that. Sankalpa, Vikalpa, Shunya. Free from doubts, free from rules. He has no rules. See, rules apply. Which rules? Shastra rules. Rules apply to the person who has got Purushartha to be accomplished. Which Purushartha? Dharma, Artha, Kama or Moksha. One who has got Moksha, no Shastra can enjoin him. He is in the world, he will abide by this, what is that? Rules of the state. That is different thing, yes sir. Provided he is aware of the body. If he is not aware of the body, at the most he will be taken as a mad person. It happened, you see. I don't know whether you know, on the way to Nagpur, Amravati, there is Shegaon. Shegaon, Gajanan Maharaj is well known. He was a Jivan. But he used to move Digambar. No clothes on it. He was not aware of the body. Then some devotee, what had done? He invited him to a place for which he has to travel by the train. So he refused. Again and again they requested. He refused. But his attendant, they call Sarvadhikari. Sarvadhikari means present day CEO. Means one who looks after the affairs of all this. Because by that time his ashram etc. was there. He said, no, you should oblige and all that. He said, no. He said, still he was there. Look, it is not advisable to go there. Still he was there. I will come, but consequences will be severe. I will come, he has to go by train. I will come, but the consequences will be severe. This is not Pak and Bulla. This actually happened incidentally. So consequences severe. So he thought that is what a big ticket was. He took. He went and said, no clothes. So we were sitting on the platform as the train came. He entered the ladies' room. You have to cry. Train was full. He is not aware. By the time the station master came, station master knows rule and but the law is law. So he was persuaded. He was persuaded, sir. By that the complaint went. Telegram was sent to higher authority, British authority. During the British time. So inquiry was summoned. Police came. Afterwards he went back to the ashram as well. Police came. He said, come to the police station. He said, go. He said, go. So this police wanted to show him this error. He held his hand and tried to pull it. Acha, this police gave bada dakho to. And he held his hand in such a way that he could not do such a painful error. He could not do. He went and reported to the authorities. Then inquiry commission was, and the person who was appointed on inquiry commission was a devotee. The person who was appointed on inquiry commission was a devotee. But then he said, but you have to go to him. After all, he was a devotee. He went, Arey, tula kuni sanjta. He told that what was the inquiry commission. Tula hai sir kuni sanjta. So therefore he has to be born. No? So he pretended as if, etc., etc. That is the And this Sarvadhikari was there. He said, it is the responsibility of this person to see that he had not gone to, because he is not aware of the God. And therefore, fine of 500, those days, fine of 500 rupees to this Sarvadhikari. Fine, he had to look consequences bad, and he was not aware of it at all. So he was not aware of it. So that is that. But even there also, he is not aware. Suppose he himself would either pay 500 rupees or they go in the jail, he would have gone to the jail. That is immaterial. That is immaterial. Because that happened, he happened to get. Otherwise also because of his, Satya Sai Baba's case, somebody complained, the beginning stages, nowadays, the beginning stages, that he is amassing wealth and so much of ashrams, etc. So income tax department inquiry came. So inquiry came, officer came, etc. to inquire. Now, these fellows, Kasturi, who is the secretary, and other person, they were in panicking. Said, they will ask you whether all this property belongs to you. You would tell, no, it doesn't belong to me. It has to give it. He smiled. He said, okay. And he listened all what else prompting, etc. Officer first started inquiring. What is your name? I have no name, but they call me. They call me so and so. When were you born? Who is your father? I have no father, I have no mother. I am the father and mother of everyone. I am the father and mother of everyone. When were you born? I am always unborn. It went on like that. Then he said, does this property belong to you? Yes. All this property belongs to you, but not only that, everything else belongs to you. Everything, whatever that is there, the entire creation belongs to me. You also belong to me. This fellow said, what is inquiry has to be conducted? He conducted report. It is not available. These people are afraid. If he says it belongs to me, well, show me the income and all that. Everything belongs to me. What is that? They could not do it. Of course, now proper balance sheet is there, accounts, etc. Because of the big empire. I think the entire world, there may not be an NGO like this. In terms of service, in terms of expenditure, only always in crores and crores. What the government can't do, they have done. See, even in the advanced countries like America, there is no totally free hospital. There are hospitals by name charity hospitals, but they are not totally free. Here at least 2 hospitals are there, not a single naya paisa is taken. And bypass surgery, that are crores worth surgeries they have done. That is what I tell. In fact, they say biggest charity hospital is in Switzerland. What is the bigness of it? All high-tech treatment, they take the money. Maybe order is sardi, jukham, some closing tablets, etc. They may be giving free answer. But high-tech medicine and all treatment, they are charged. Who can do? From water canal from Andhra to Chennai. Canal was there, no water. Because and Andhra was faithfully releasing the water. By the time it goes there, either it is stolen or it is what? Seepage is there and it goes at 700 crores rupees is spent, and with the most modern technology, not only the cement bed, but under that the film such a way that even to the cement bed water should not seep down. And now water goes to Chennai. And then Karunanidhi says, they have got some tank or this thing, please remove what is that, what they call? There is a technical term for that. The mud that accumulates. Silt. It's the crores of project. He has agreed, but it will take its own time, etc. When this super specialty hospital Puttaparthi was inaugurated, Dr. Subramaniam, he is no more now. He was at that time the governor of Maharashtra. He openly said, if this project were to be taken by the government, it would have taken minimum 10 years, and even after 10 years, there would not be guarantee that it will be started. And this was started within 5 months. 5 months from the day of laying down the foundation. Always in growth. See what is that? In that Andhra Pradesh, at least 4-5 regions, he has given the water supply. It runs into crores and crores. Of course, everything is pakka. At the same time, no wastage of money. Once it happened, the director of the Super Specialty Hospital, Dr. Safaya, and he was the earlier dean of AIIMS Delhi. Yes, All India Institute of Medical Science. He purchased blankets required for the hospital worth 10,000 rupees. And because he has to consult many things, he went to Baba at the next time there. Satya Sai Baba was furious. तुम्हारा बाप का पैसा है क्या? Literally he used the word. And this was told by Safaya in the presence of Satya Sai Baba in the audience. तुम्हारा बाप का पैसा है क्या? Public money cannot be wasted like that. Did you check that whether blankets are there? Blankets are already there. He has not checked properly that blankets are there. He filed public money. It should be spent very meticulously, etc. Not that. But that is what they thought, that he is amassing wealth, etc., etc. So that is not the case. Anyway, so what can be done? Of course, Satyadeva is different than the Jivan Mukta, because it is a different category. He is not a Jivan Mukta, he is the Avatara in different category. So that's why I say, Prarabdha Karma Mukta Deha Prarabdha Karma Parikalpita Vasanabhi Samsari Vacharati. He conducts himself like any samsari, but his mind is always absorbed in the Swarupa. Again, Charati Kalpa Vikalpa Shunyaha, free from rules, free from doubts, free from Sankalpa, Vikalpa, Siddha. This Siddha, accomplished person, who is Jivan Mukta, says what he does. Chakrasya Moolam Iva. See, of a wheel, the Moola means the center pivot. The pivot, that is there, the wheel rotates, but the pivot is stationary. Like that, in Swarupa, he has nothing to do, he is simply Sakshi. In his presence, all these take place. Chakrasya Moola Viva, Sakshivat, simply making known, without getting involved, without anything on the interest on his part, Sakshivat, Swayam Tushnim Basati. Himself remains quiet, composed, not involved in the bhoga. At times he may not be aware of the if because of prarabdha vashat, if he is aware of the body, then he will be aware of the bhoga. Otherwise, somebody putting the food in his mouth, he must have gulped also. So it will be prarabdha. Again, further what is the
Naivedriyani vijayesu niyukta eshaha Naivopayukta upadarshana lakshanastha Naiva kriya padamati shadavekshate saha Swananda sandra sapana sumanta chitta Anvaya Swananda sandra sapana samutta chitta Sumatta chitta Eshaha Upadarshana lakshanastha as sun Indriyani Vishayeshu Naiva
Niyukte
Naiva
Apayunte Naiva apayunte Saha Kriyaphalam Apishat Na eva Apekshate. This person, this is very important. You know who is he? Swananda Sandra Rasapana Sumatta Chitta, whose mind is Sumatta, not simply intoxicated, totally intoxicated. अच्छा क्या पीता है? If he is totally intoxicated, what is he drinking? He says, yes, rasa. What rasa? Swananda Sandra rasa. Swananda, Paramananda, his own Swarupa Ananda. And how? That is called rasa. Rasa means always what? Joy is there. Sandra means ghana, nibida, dense means Paramananda, and Paramananda alone to the total exclusion of anything other. That and that alone. Paramasvananda Rasandra Rasapana Sumatta Chitta Eshaha. This is possible at a very high level, 6th or 7th stage of Jnana. At a higher level of Jivan Mukti, Brahma Jnana Nishtha, it is possible, not at lower level. Chittaha, Eshaha, what does he do? Upadarshana Lakshanasthaha San. He appears as though a spectator, but being unconcerned spectator. Upadarshana Lakshanasthaha Sun becoming, being. Upadarshana Lakshanasthaha means being unconcerned spectator, because experiences are taking place, but he is totally unconcerned. Sun, what does he do? Indriyani, he is Indriya, Vishayeshu Naeva Niyukte. He doesn't, Niyukte means employ, non-Niyukte means doesn't employ. He on his own doesn't employ his indriyas to bhoga, vishayas. Not only that, nor he withdraws. See, neither he uses the indriyas for sense enjoyment, nor he withdraws. All that happens on account of the prarabdha bhoga. So he is totally unconcerned. Everything is programmed by prarabdha karma. Na eva apayumte. He doesn't withdraw also. Okay. Then what does he do? Saha, further what he doesn't do. Saha kriyaphalam api ishad na eva apekshate. His senses are in the Vishaya, but he on his own doesn't direct them, nor he withdraws. Because they are in the Vishaya, some phala is there, he never expects that phala also. It just takes place by prarabdha karma. Kriya phala means even Vishaya bhoga also, Ishad, even little he doesn't expect at all. Continuing.
Laksha lakshagati tyakva yastishte kevalatmana Shiva eva swayam sakshat ayam brahma viduttamaha. Yaha laksha lakshagatim tyaktva kevalatmana tishte ayam brahma viduttamaha swayam sakshat shivaha eva.
This Jivan Mukta who is like this. Yaha laksha laksha gatim tyaktva. Having given up, having abandoned the gati, goal, laksha. The goal, laksha gati, alaksha gati. The goal or thing to be sought, to be acquired. Other one, alaksha gati. The goal to be avoided means things to be acquired, things to be shunned, to be given up. So, tyaktva, having given up goal, means there is nothing that he has to accomplish, nor there is something he has to give up as well. So, tat tyaktva, kevalatmana tishte. Yaha kevalatmana tishte. We abide in his Swarupa only, he is not aware of anything else. Such a person, you know who is? Ayam Brahma Viduttamaha. This Jivan Mukta who is Jnananishta, says, Swayam Sakshat Shivaha eva. Swayam Sakshat Shiva. Shiva means what? Brahma Swarupa, Atma Swarupa, Shiva. Shiva not bodily Kailasadipati Shiva. Don't make that mistake. So here, Shiva Swarupa. Shiva is what? So Brahma. He is nothing but directly nothing but Brahma Swarupa. Continuing.
Jivaneva sada muktaha krutato brahma vittamaha upadinasha brahmaiva tad brahma veti nirdvayam. Advaya brahma vittamaha jivan eva sada muktaha krutaha brahma eva san upadinasha nirdvayam brahma apeti.
Brahmavittamaha. So one who knows that God and the Brahma Jnani, so Jnananishta, higher level of Jnana stage. So that's why Brahmavittamaha Jivan eva, even while living, sada mukta, always he is mukta, kritartha, one who has accomplished what needs to be accomplished in life. There is nothing further to be kritartha. Again, he says, Brahma eva, himself is nothing but Brahma only. Upadinashat, Brahma eva san. Even when the Upadhi was there, he is Brahma. Upadinashat, Prarabdha is over, Upadhi has got destroyed. Upadinashat, he says, Brahma nirdvayam Brahma appeti. Brahmaiva san Brahma appeti. Being himself Brahma against Brahma is a way of presenting. Actually, what does it mean is what? He is nothing. He is Brahma. He didn't know. He has discovered himself to be Brahma. That's Brahmaiva san Brahma. Ignorance has gone and that's all. So this is the case of everyone. But the only thing is that majority know not what is the goal. At least had they taken to dharma, they would have got saved as well. They are only after artha and kama without dharma. If dharma is taken, the pursuit of artha kama is a matter of time. Slowly maturity is bound to dawn. And the person will see what is my Swarupa, etc. Continue. See, it was told, Brahma Ivasan Brahma Apeti. He was Brahma and he gave Brahma, for which an illustration is given.
Shailujo Vesha Sadhava Bhavayosya Yatha Kuma. तथैव ब्रह्म विश्रेष्ठः तदा ब्रह्मैव नापरः यथा वेशसद्भावयोः च शैलूषः पुमान् तथा एव ब्रह्मवित् श्रेष्ठः सदा ब्रह्म एव अपरः न.
Illustration is that of an actor. An actor puts on the costume, plays the role. Drama is over. Removes the costume. Does the actor change? Whether before wearing the costume or when actually enacting the drama or after the actor is actor. Likewise, Brahmavit Tamaha, whether in the state of Jivan Mukta when he was donning the body or afterward Prarabdha is over, the body is gone. He is what? Brahma only. Whether body is there or body is not there, he is nothing but Brahma. That is what is the illustration. It says, Yatha, just as Vesha Sadbhava Abhavayoho cha Shailusha. Shailusha means actor, Nataha. Actor. Whether costumes are there or not. Vesha means costume. Sadbhava means they are worn. Abhava, they are not there. In both the cases, is what? Uma. He is the individual actor, so and so. Tatha eva, so also. Brahmavit Shrestha. Brahmavit Shrestha means one Jivan Mukta at higher stage of Jivan Mukti is Sada Brahma eva. Whether he is continuing with the body or the body has fallen because of Prarabdha Kshaya, he is what? Sada Brahma eva. Aparahana, No one else. Don't say so and so, etc., etc. Is Brahma only. Fine. Now, what about the mode of death of this given? They say no, body should be cast at auspicious time, auspicious place, preferably Kashi, Varanasi, or some holy place, bank of Ganges, etc. Are there any rules for giving up the body? This applies to Ajnani. For a Jnani, there are no such rules applicable because he is free from the body not after the death. He is free from the body even before when he has got the knowledge. Continue.
Yatra kvapi vishirnam sat parnam ivataror vakupadana brahmi bhutasya yate ekakevahi Satchidagninadaktam Anvaya Taroho Yatra Kvapi Vishirnam Satparanam Iva Brahmi Bhutasya Yate Tat Vapuhu Patana Prag Eva Agnina Dagdam.
See, a leaf of a tree falls from the tree. Where it falls, what happens to it, what the tree has to do with it? Nothing to do. It has nothing to do with it. Taroho yatra kvapi vishirnam sat paranam iva. Paranam, taru. Taru means tree. Taroho, of a tree. A leaf of a tree which has fallen anywhere. Yatra kvapi. In a dirty place or a holy place, it has fallen in the Ganges or it has fallen in the filth. So wherever it may be, it says what it says Paranamiva. So what does it matter to the tree? It's nothing to do with the tree. So like that, Brahmi bhutasya yatehe tat vapuhu, that body of this person, yati sannyasi means jnani, jnanishta, who has himself become what? Brahmi bhutaha, who has himself become Brahma when? Before the fall of the body, not afterwards. So, Brahmi bhutasya yate tat vapuhu, what is that? Patanat prageva, before the death, before the fall of the body, says Chidagnina Dagdham. It is burned by the fire of Atma Brahma Chit Agnina. It is burned by it. There is no body for him at all. Prarabdha Vashat, something is moving like a slough. It has nothing to do with that slough of the body. So Prageva Chidagnina Dagdham. It is burned by the Chit Sarupa Agni, Chaitanya Sarupa Agni. Means there is no question. See, for a Ajnani, place, time, mode of death counts. Why? Punarjanma is there, transmigration is there. Here there is no Punarjanma. Whatever locus of Sukh Sharira, which is continuing because of Prarabdha Karma, just gets disintegrated. Ihai Sandhogya says, इहैव समविलीयन्ते प्राणाः विमुक्तश्च विमुच्यते. इहैव, only delay for the fall of the body means death of the destruction of the body, that body. Pranaha, sukh sharira, ihaiva, right now here, viliyante, disintegrate, merge back in the pancha mahabhuta. Earlier he was vimuktaha, not yet now he has become free from the body. Vimuchyate. Whatever last trace of prarabdha and the body was there, that also gone. He is released. Means videha mukti. Till now he was jivan mukta. Videmati. Why? Because of the difference of the presence and the absence of the body. So that is the case. For a jnani, there is no question or occasion to wait for this, etc. You may ask why Bhishma waited, etc. Bhishma did wait, etc. Because his request was there by the other Vasus. Request was there. And again, there was a purpose. During that, he gave a lesson to Dharmaraja. Krishna wanted that. Krishna wanted. Because Dharmaraja was inconsolable. I have killed my elder brother. He said, I will fast unto death. Krishna, all brothers, Krishna, Vyasa, all told, you are not at fault. You have done your duty as a king. You have lived dharma. He said, yes, and finally what? I have killed my brother. I will fast unto death. Even Vyasa gets angry. You have no value for us, what we tell you. Krishna knew because it needs some Shraddha in somewhere. Krishna knew his Shraddha is in the grandfather. So he takes to him and he says, please teach Dharmaraja, etc. Bhishma says, Bhagavan, when you are there, where is the point of my teaching? And even I am not able to think properly. See these arrows, blood is oozing, my head is whirling. How can I see? So don't worry, I will take care of that. But I want you to teach, because so long as the sun and the moon are there, the world should know what Bhishma Pitamaha, that also was there, one of these things. Otherwise, there was no need for Bhishma to wait for the Uttarayana card. So he was a jnani. All these factors are there, because that also was prarabdha. It is actually he was about, and he is the Ichchamaranama. He can give us the body when he wants. So he was about to leave the body, because he is the incarnation of one of the Vasus, Ashtavasus. This is how can, in the Dakshinayana, he can say, he honored the request, that's all. He didn't need this. So like this, so there is time, place, mode of death is immaterial for this Brahmajna. That is Vishnu.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् अततो मा मृत्योर्मा